So today we start a new concept that is called data structures. Data structures in Python language. Data structures. What is the name? Data structures. Okay. So what is a data structure? First question is what is a data structure? What is a data structure? What is a data structure? Allah, right? So data structure is like a container, guys. It's like a container which is used to store the data and use the data later to perform to perform operations, guys. We use the same data later to perform the operations. All of you. Container data structure is a container which is used to store the data and use the data. Store the data and use the data. Why do we use to perform different operations? To perform different operations. Okay. For example, allow observe. Let's take one container here. I'll take one container. This is one container, and this container, guys. So we use for storing the data. We use for storing the data, and the same data we use for different operations. So two operations here for storing the data and using the data. Storing and using. So first one, storing is what we call it here, save the data, okay, and then use the data, right? Save the data and use the data, guys. Use the data, saving and using. Okay, so it's like there are multiple examples for this data structure, guys. There are in this normal it's called here container, and there are multiple examples for data structure. Like let's take suppose a water bottle, right? A water bottle, guys. In a water bottle, what we do first, we save the water. We fill the water, we save the water. Later, the same water we use for different purpose, right? Or else, let's take some lunch box for example, right? Lunch box is there. First, we save the lunch in the box. Later, the same lunch we use. Okay, we use it may be we eat the lunch or we give to our friend. If it's not good, we throw away. Different purpose we use, right? Okay, all of you like that. A number of examples for data structure. Let's take one more example like our brain. Our brain also one container for data structure. Our brain also one data structure where in our brain first we save the data. Later the same data we use in different places in different purpose. For example, we're coming to Python classes now. We're coming to Python classes, and we come to Python classes here. So first, in the classes, you are saving the knowledge. You're getting the knowledge. The same knowledge later you use. It may be in interviews, or maybe in the company, or maybe in to teach for different persons to use for different purpose. Right? So we're saving the knowledge in the brain, and later the same knowledge we use for different purpose. Okay, and one more example, let's take a bank, guys. Bank is one of the best example for data structure. Bank, right? The bank. In the bank, first what we do in the bank, we deposit money in the bank. Deposit means what? Save. Later, we use the money for different purpose. Which purpose? Maybe to buy the house, to buy the car, right? Or to give somebody, or for any function is there. For function, we use the money, right? For different purpose, we use that money, guys, right? So like that, a data set is what? It's a container where we save the data and we use the data later to perform the different operations. Subject wise, what are the operations? We perform the like mathematical operations, guys, like arithmetic operations, or comparison operators, or logical operators. Any operation we can perform on the data. Okay. Right. So the examples of data structures are the types of data structures are the different types are allow to observe. The first one is a string data structure. String. What's first one? String. String data structure. The second one is a list data structure. The second one list data structure. The third one is a tuple data structure. Tuple data structure. Okay. The fourth one is a set data structure, and then fifth one is a dict data structure. Dict data structure. So these are the different types of data structures in Python, guys. String, list, tuple, set, and dictionary. These are the different types of data structures. Okay. Now let's start the first one. What's first one? String. String data structure. String data structure. Right. What is a string, guys? That is a string. So in the string, I'm going to explain first string introduction. String introduction, guys. First, which one? I'm going to explain you now the string introduction. String introduction. So I'm going to take one string example here. Allow you observe. Here. I'll take one string. Here. That string is Python Narayana. The string is Python Narayana. Okay. Okay. This is the string now. This is our string. Allow you observe. Right. So now a string is a collection of characters. Enclosed by quotes. Collection of characters enclosed by quotes. Right? So guys, observe in the school days also, college days, in a class we have multiple students, right? Maybe 20 students, 30, 40, 50, 60, like that in every class. Between the four walls, there are n number of students are there. Okay. So here, for every student, we have a roll number, right? We have a roll number. What is the use of roll number, sir? What is the use of roll number? Because the students' names can be repeated. The names can be duplicated. To avoid the duplicate, we are giving a unique number to the students. Suppose in the class, with the name Narayana, maybe 3 students are there. Now faculty calling Narayana, please stand up. Which Narayana will stand up now? Because 3 Narayanas are there in the class. Or he is calling the attendance. Or he is saying that in the class some Ravi got first rank. Which Ravi? There are 4 Ravis are there. There are 3 Ravis are there. All toppers only in the class. But out of 3 who got the first rank? That's the problem. Why? Because of duplicate names are possible in the class. To avoid that problem, we have a unique, roll numbers for each student. The same case here also in the string we have duplicate characters. If you observe y is there 2 times. Or a, you take the a, how many times is there? A is there for 4 times. Or n is there for 2 times. Small n, all of you, right? So like that there are duplicates in the string. Now that's why to avoid this problem in the string, we have a concept called index numbers. Generally we have roll numbers in the class, but here subject wise we call as a index numbers. So there are 2 types of index numbers. One is called forward index number. The second is called the backward guide. This is forward index number. And this is the backward index number. Backward. So forward index number, allow you observe forward. Okay. Right. This is what here. I'll take some 20x. Okay. This is called what here? Forward. Also called the positive index. Forward also called the positive index. positive index numbers. The second one is backward. The second one is backward or negative index. Backward or negative index. Right? Okay. The forward index number starts from 0. Generally, in the school days, college days, the roll number starts from generally 1 onwards. But subject wise starts from where? 0 onwards. Right? This is 0, and this is what here 1. Okay, 1, and this is what here 2. Right? And this is what here 3, and 4, 5, right? 6, then 7, 8, and then 9, and 10 here, and 11, 12, and 13, and then 14. That is the positive or forward index number. Okay, and the backward starts from -1, guys. It starts from where? -1. Okay, this is -2. This is a -3, like that. Like that, index numbers are there. And in that case, what is the last number here? Possibility. What is the last number, guys? Here, the last number must be -15. Here -14. Here -13. Here -12, and -11, -10, -10, then -9, then -8, -8, then -7, -7, -6. This is what here -5, then -4, then -3, and here -2, and then -1. These are the index numbers, both forward and the backward index numbers. Okay. Right. Now, these are all parts I'm going to write here. Allow of observe. First string here, introduction. What's first point now? String is a collection of characters, right? Characters enclosed by quotes. Which quotes are? It can be single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. Okay. And each character in the string has its own unique index number, right? Unique index numbers, all of unique index numbers, right? All of just observe now. The string supports. Okay. Which one? String supports both forward and backward. Okay, backward index numbers. And forward is also called which one, guys? Here positive index. Positive index. Okay, and backward. Okay, backward index. Backward index is also called which one? Negative index. Right? So forward starts from 0, backward starts from -1, right? -1, just point. Forward index starts from 0, and okay, and the backward index starts from -1, guys. Allah of observe here 0 here -1. Okay, and see now what is over here? What is over, guys? Now storing the data, right? See what's first point? Saving the data in the container over. This now these all data, guys. These all data saved in the container st. Container st means a data saving over. Saving means what? Assigning, right? Data assigning over. But second part now fetching, right? Fetching, guys. Allah observe. So in this case, is all data assigned to st means saved in the st, guys. Saved in the st. Now saving over. Next what here? Getting the data. Using the data. We can use the data in two ways. One is called indexing. The second is called slicing. Indexing and slicing. In two ways we use the data. What's first way? Indexing. But second way? Slicing, right? Slicing. Indexing means what here? Indexing means fetching a specific character. Slicing means fetching a set of characters. Indexing means Fetching a single character, slicing means fetching a set of characters by using the index numbers. Okay, so the seventh point is a string supports both both okay both which one indexing and slicing guys, right? Indexing means what? Fetching a specific character. Indexing means fetching a specific character. So by using what here? By using index number. Okay. Then slicing means what now? Tell me. Slicing means fetching. Okay, fetching a set of characters by using fetching set of characters. Okay, set of characters by using the start and the end index numbers. And the index numbers, right? We are specified. So set of means what? A collection of characters, right? We are specified from where up to where. These 2 points you have to specify. Okay, and then string supports, right? String supports which one? Concatenation, comma, repetition, comma, packing the data and unpacking the data also. It supports all operations, packing, unpacking, concatenation, repetition. Okay, and then string allows what here? Duplicate, right? Allow observe duplicate characters, right? Yes or no? And the insertion order, guys, insertion order of string characters is a fixed, guys, is fixed. What does it mean? St equal to, I am taking Python example, right? Now if I take int of st, what is the output? Tell me now. So while inserting the data, I used p y t h o n. I follow this order, right? I follow this order. The same order will come. First P will come, Y will come, T comes, H comes, O comes, N comes. Means whatever order I inserted, the same order came. The same order came. Means the order is fixed. The order is fixed, right? That's the point. Insertion order. Whatever the order inserted the data, the order is fixed. The order is fixed, guys. And one more point is string is invertible. String is invertible object. Means the string cannot be modified. The string cannot be modified. That's called invertible string. Invertible object. So these are the string introduction points, guys. String introduction points. All of you. Now here I'm going to perform each operation. First one, how to work with indexing, sir. And slicing. Indexing means what? Fetching one character. Slicing means fetching set of characters. Now how to perform the concatenation, repetition, packing, unpacking. Six concepts. Okay, six concepts. Then at last we have string functions also. String functions, guys. String function. These are all my subtopics. This is the first subtopic in string. Second subtopic, third subtopic, fourth one. Okay, fifth one, right? Sixth one, then seventh one, and then eighth one. These are the subtopics in the string concept. And then the same subtopics will repeat in the list also, in the tuple also. Maybe that name will change, but the same definitions will come there, guys. Same concepts will come in list of the tuple also. That's why concentrate more here. If you understand string very well, list tuple very easy for us. Very easy to understand. Okay. Now what is our introduction now, right? Now let's start indexing operation. Which operation? Indexing operation, guys. Okay. So now I'm taking now string indexing. String indexing. All of you guys let me know. Are you following me, guys? All of you let me know. Are you following me? All of you let me know. All of you let me know. Right? So fine. Now indexing, right? Indexing means what? Indexing means its definition is there here. fetching specific character by using its index number. Fetching the specific, okay, specific character guys, okay, specific character, right. So the syntax of indexing is, syntax is we take the first string name of index number guys, string name of index number, string name of index number, right. Now what is the string name here? St, right? St guys. Now all of you observe, I'm going to make some examples here. I'm taking the same string, all of you. I take the same string, that is Python Narayana. Okay, Python Narayana. Now the string is created. The string is created here. All of you observe. Right. Now this is what here Python Narayana. Now in the string of zero, the string name and the index number, guys, and the index number. String name, index number. Okay. Now in the string, the given string, what is at zero position? What is at zero position? Tell me all of you. The string, what is at zero position? You can see the picture above. You can see the page here and give the reply, guys. At zero place, what is there? All of you let me know. Muhammad Riaz P. Okay. Next one, guys. We reply. The string, see string name of index number, right? The string at zero, what is there? You can see above the paint. Again, the index numbers also here. All of guys we reply. All are silent. P, right? Okay, very good. Then the string, what is it? Index number one. What is it? Index number one. The string, what is index number one? It's a Y, right? In the string, what is it? Index number two. And so on, guys. Same will come now. The string index number six. Index number six. Tell me now what is there? Index number six. All of you. Index number six. What is there? Index number six. What is there, guys? All of you. Index number six. What is there? Space, right? Banu Prakash, Muhammad Riaz, Abhishek, Vijay Kumar. What is there? Space. Okay, space is there, guys. Index number six. Space is there. Like that, guys. Okay, st of I'll take suppose 14. At 14, what is there now? At index number 14, what is there? Index number 14, what is there? Index number 14, what is there? Tell me now. All of you guys. Index number 14, what is there? The 14 index numbers, right? What is there? A. Okay, A is there. So as per this example, see in any example starting 0, forward, backward starting -1. The starting is fixed in every example. The ending number will change as per the example. That is example length. The ending will change. Now 14 is the last one, right? If I take st of some 20, the 20 is out of range, right? Index number 20 is out of range. That's why I display index error. Which error? Index error. Why index error? Index number 20 is out of range is there, right? Next one, st of I'll take here suppose -1. At -1, what is there? A is there, right? At -1, A is there. The same again, guys. st of let's take suppose -5. What is there? -5, A is there. st of something I'll take -10 now. What is there? N is there. -10 now. st of something -15 now. What is there? E is there. If I take more than -15 now, something -20, again error will come. Why error? Because -20 is out of range, right? -20 is out of range. Error will come. And one point, guys, here, if you observe, I am using all index numbers, integer numbers only. You can see now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Integer numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, also integer numbers, right? We have 5 types of data. Int values, float values, bool values, complex values, string values. 5 types of data. Out of 5 types, what is possible here? What is possible here? Integer possible. Integer possible, right? Now let us try some other type, guys. Which type? Some float value. ST of 1.5 I am giving now. 1.5. If I give integer possible, okay, integer working, maybe plus or minus the integer working. If I give the float value, it give type error. Why type error? The string indices, the index must be integers, not the float. Not the float. Okay. Next one, let me try some complex number, guys. 2 plus 3j. Again problem. Because you can't use float values, you can't use complex values. Okay. Next, I am going to try some string I am giving as index number. I am giving string as index number. Again, not possible. But now tell me, I am giving index number true. Allow me observe. So I tried which one integer value is working. Integer value is okay. If I take the float value, error is coming. Which error? Type error. If I take complex value, type error coming. If I take string value, type error coming. What is the remaining last one? Boolean values, either true or false. Either true or false. Now I am giving here, I am giving true. Now in this case, does it give same type error or some output will come or some result some output will come. Tell me now, guys. If from the st of true, what is the result now? What is the result? What is the result? All of you guys. Leave it now. So already I used the int value working, but float, complex, string not working, right? This is not working. Which one? Float, complex, string not working. Into working. Into working. What about the bool now? What about the bool? What about the bool? All of you guys. Muhammad Riaz. Output will come, sir. Okay. Output is Y. Okay. Okay. All of you guys. Let me know. What is the output here? What you guess the output here? Is it output Y or else some error will come? Right. Some are saying the output and some are saying the error. Error will come. Right? Okay. Error will come. But actually, guys, output will come now. Output will come. What's output here? Y is coming. Why Y is coming, sir? All of you observe. In entire Python, true is equal to 1, guys. False is equal to 0. That value level I am saying that true one both are same level, both are equal, and false 0 both are equal. False 0 both are equal. All of you are clear now. That's why when I take the true means what here? 1. True means what here? 1. Other what is the 1? What is the 1? Y, right? Y. So Y is coming, guys. Y is coming. If I take the false, for example, if I take the false here, false means what? 0. What is the 0? What is 0 here? P. So answer P will come there. If I use the false. ST of what here? False. What's the false? P. P is coming. P is coming. Are clear now? Aditya and Ravi Kumar. All of you guys. So it is about what your indexing operation, right? It is about the indexing operation, guys. Next one, we have slicing operation. Which one? Slicing. Slicing, okay. String slicing is there, guys. String slicing is there. The second one, string slicing. Slicing means what is definition here? Fetching a set of characters by using the start and end numbers. Start and end numbers. Okay. So let me take the syntax here. Syntax here. The string name of start number start number colon then end number. Start number colon end number. Let's specify what is the start number, what is the end number, what is the end number. Allow. Okay, right. Let's go with again same example here. Same example here. Allow observe now. I'm taking now. I'm taking here string name of start number one. I am giving any number. I am giving something 5. Now tell me what is the output, guys? What is the output? I'm saying start number 1 in number 5. In number 5. What is the result now? All of you guys. What is the result now here? Start number 1 in number 5. And I want the data from 1 to 5. From 1 to 5. Anji, YTHON sir. Okay, very good. Vijay Kumar, Python, Abhishek, YTHON. Anji, YTHO, okay. YTHO, Kirti, YTHO, okay, very good. Balu Prakash, YTHON. Yes. So all are giving correctly the starting number, but ending the giving the wrong, guys. All starting answer starting is Y only, but some are ending with O, some are ending with N. N. Okay, very good, no problem. I'll explain it here. As answer now YTHO. YTHO, guys. So why not N is not coming, sir? You are giving the 5. 5 means N is there. Why N is not coming, sir? Yes. Now all of you observe. What is the start number? Start number 1, right? 1. So where is the 1? This is the 1, right? This is the 1. Start number 1. Okay. What is the end number? End number 5. End number 5. So in Python, always you take one value before to the end number, guys. In Python, everywhere you take every value means you take the one value before value. One value before value you take that. All of you. N number means what? We take the one value before value. Now, what is the number here? 5. What is the number? 5. 5 is there. 5 before what is there? 4. 5 before 4. That's why N number 4. The answer is YTHO. YTHO. Not only here, in Python, anywhere, any topic, anywhere, end number means it takes one value before value, guys. One value before value. All of you are clear now? Why N is not coming in the result? All of you are clear now, right? Why N is not coming? In this example. All of you. Okay. Let's be reply. Are clear, right? Right, very good. So next one, I'll give one more example. Tell me result, guys. I'm saying here. I'm saying now ST of let's take something 7 to 13. 7 to 13. 7 to 13, guys. 7 to 13 is the reply now. Seven to 13. Halafi. Muhammad Riaz, Kirti, Ban Prakash, Anji. Yes. Yes, guys. You all are correct now. What's the answer now? Naraya. Naraya. Why? Because what is start number 7? What is start number 7? This is 7, right? Start number 7. What is the n number? 13. 13 before value 12. Ending is the 12. Ending is the 12, right? So NARAYA is the result, guys. The result. Next one, ST of I am giving something 9 to 9 to minus 3. 9 to minus 3, guys. I am giving the 9 to minus 3. 9 to minus 3. All of what is the answer now, guys? 9 to minus 3. Love you. Six minutes, the video here, short it out. RAY, right? RAY. What's the answer now? RAY, guys. Okay. RAY. Why RAY? Why RAY? Now, all of you observe. What is start number? 9, right? What is start number? 9. 9 means R. This start number, okay? What is n number here? Minus 3. What is the before to minus 3? Minus 3 before value. Minus 3 before value. Minus 4, right? Minus 4. Minus 4, right? All of you. So before means don't think that minus 3 before minus 2 are before minus 1. No. So this forward direction in this way before value. In this way before value. So you can say left side value in this case. Okay. All of you, right? RAY. One more example. ST of let's take something minus 11 to minus 7, guys. 8 sorry 8 like this. I love you. What is the answer now? Aditya, Sanjay, ON space. Okay, now all of you observe here. So what is start number? What is start number? Minus 11, right? Minus 11. This is start number, okay? This is start number, guys. What is the n number? 8. 8 n number, right? 8 n number. Before 8, 7. Before 8, what is there? 7, okay? 7 is the n number. So ON space n, guys. The answer is ON space n. ON space n is the capital N. Vijay Kumar, Rangaraja, Abhishek. Why H is coming, Abhishek? Why H is coming? I am giving minus 11, right? But you're taking the minus 12. Why H is coming in the answer? Check once, Abhishek. Right? All of you. So it's awesome now like this. Now finally ST of I am giving 7, not giving the n number, guys. I am giving start number, n number is not giving. If you don't specify n number, it takes up to last one. It takes up to last one, guys. 7 to last one like this. I am giving the n number but not the start number. I am giving n number, not the start number. If you don't specify start number, it takes from beginning onwards. It takes from beginning onwards up to 6. 6 before what is there? 5. What is the 5 n? It means Python, right? It means Python, guys. Next one, if you don't specify start number, end number. If you don't specify both the start number, end number, it takes from beginning to ending full string as it is. It takes from beginning to ending the full string as it is. Python space Narayana. Python space Narayana, guys. All of you observe. All of you observe, guys. Are clear now? This one. This is what here slicing operation, guys. This is what here indexing and the slicing. Next one, concatenation is there. Concatenation, repetition, packing, unpacking, all are there. So let's see now concatenation, guys. What is concatenation? Very simple thing here. It means using plus between two strings, right? All of you know that one. Using plus between two strings. st1 equal to, I'll take Python. st2 equal to, let's take suppose Narayana, okay, Narayana, that's all. Now st1 plus st2 assigned to st, then so print of st, you can see now. This is called what here concatenation, okay. Repetition means take the same string, take some n number 3, then st1 into n, guys, assigned to st, then print of st. St is what repeating. So st1 is what here Python. N is what 3. st1 at n is what here the Python repeating 3 times. Python repeating 3 times. So that's called string repetition. String repetition, guys. Repetition. Next, packing, unpacking is there. Packing and unpacking. All of you. Suppose let's take. Suppose A equal to X character is there, B equal to some Y character is there, C equal to some Z character is there, like this, right? I want to combine all. So generally, what is the meaning of packing? Packing means gathering the data, right? Packing means what? Gathering. Unpacking means separating. Okay, gathering and separating. Now here, I want to gather all and join at a single place. At that time, I use a join of, but I'm going to join A value, B value, C value. I am going to join A value, B value, C value. And output should be like this. Output should be A, B, C like this. Sorry. A value what here? X. B value what? Y. C value Z. Output should be like this. Suppose, sir, I want comma, sir. X comma, Y comma like this, sir. At that time, if you want comma, keep the comma. Keep the comma here like this. So if you keep the comma, Y comma, if you want to put the comma after every character, X comma Y comma Z like this, X comma Y comma Z. But I want to repeat the space X Y space Y, sorry, X space Y space Z. You want like this, X space Y space Z. Then we use what here? Space like this. Means after every character, whatever you want to repeat, that we have to specify here. Suppose I want to repeat the comma, for example, guys. I want to repeat the comma. Then I am giving what here? I am giving the comma and assign to some st1, okay? st1. Then you see now, print of st1, see, x, comma, y, comma, z. The same one, the same, I want space, x, space, y, space, z. Then take the space. Then you can see now, print of st1, you can see space is coming. Right? I don't want anything, sir. I don't want anything. No space, no comma, sir. At that time, between the quotes, don't take the space also. Then it is what here print of st1. That's all. X, Y, Z. This is what here string packing, guys. Packing means collecting data from different variables assigned to single variable. Assigned to single variable, guys. Unpacking means separating, right? This is the one string, guys. This is the one string. I want to separate all characters into different variables. Means P into one variable, Y into another variable, T into another variable, H another variable, O another variable, and another variable. So in this case, how many values are there? 6 values are there. So A comma, B comma, C comma, D comma, E comma, F equal to ST. ST, okay? ST, guys. Now, in A, what is there? In A, what is there? P is there. In B, what is there? All of you? Y. In C, what is there? T. In the D variable, what is there? H. In E variable, what is there? O. In F variable, what is there? N. Like this. In every variable, assigning the characters, right? Assigning the character. This is called what here? Separating the data, means unpacking the data. Unpacking the data. In this unpacking, one condition is there. What's condition? The number of characters must same as a number of variables. The number of characters must same as a number of variables. Suppose if I take the more number of characters or a more number of variables, less number of variables, error will come. F comma G comma H comma I. Here actually the six values are there. How many values? Six values, but using how many variables? 90 variables, error will come. Or if I take the less number of variables, also error will come, guys. I just take here only A, B, C, D only A, B, C. In Python, how many are there? Six characters are there. How many I am using now? Only three. Only three, again error will come. That means, to make the unpacking, the number of characters must equal to number of variables. Then only possible. If you take more number of variables, if you take less number of variables, it gives error, guys. It gives error. All of you. So this is what here. This is what here packing, unpacking, right? Unconcatenation, replication all over. And only remaining part is what string functions, guys. The remaining part is what here string functions. String functions, guys. All of the string functions are left up. Okay, so the functions, guys, will take a little bit more time, around the 40 minutes will take all of you. So tomorrow we'll see about the string functions. String functions.